Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Now we will see what is the second line of conventional form of treatment. If the n number of fibroids are there, like if the fibroids are more than 5 or more than 3 in number and the fibroid size is more, what will we do? They will be suggesting you for other forms of treatment, or if after giving hormonal pills also the fibroids are not coming under control, they might suggest you for invasive non-invasive surgeries like myomectomy, where there is removal of the fibroid through laparoscopic procedure, and then there is myolysis, where there is use of energy, different kinds of energy to destroy or to shrink the fibroid. Apart from that, RFA, which is radio frequency ablation, focused radio frequency to remove the fibroid, and then UAE, which is embolization of the artery which is supplying the fibroid and destroying that blood supply, and MR HIFU, which is non-invasive in nature. All of these are minimally invasive. MR HIFU is magnetic resonance high intensity focused ultrasound. So this is also a procedure for fibroids which is non-invasive. And then we have hysterectomy, which is removal of the uterus. So all of these have their risk factors also, and even hysterectomy has its own risk factor. What are those? Let us see. Every surgery comes with a risk and a complication, right? Every surgery, if it is minimally invasive or normal surgery, there can be risk of having infections and also complications. If the surgery is not performed properly, if the infection starts, then the pelvic adhesions can happen, which can lead into further more problems or furthermore deterioration of your health. Apart from that, in minimally invasive surgeries, the recovery time, although it is less, you have to see that all of this RFA, UAE, myolysis or MR HIFU have no long-term studies. So we do not know if it has any sort of problems that it creates after the procedure is being done. This invasive and non-invasive procedures or minimally invasive procedures, you have to remember that there can be a recurrence of fibroid if the cause of the fibroid is not corrected. And the cause of the fibroid, if it is hormonal imbalance, then there is no particular treatment or particular set of points that allopathy people follow to correct your hormonal balance, right? So they give synthetic hormones. As long as you're using them, it is right. After you stop, then again this starts, right? So that's not there in homeopathy. Apart from that, there are certain limitations in specific cases for these procedures to be done. If you're taking myolysis, if you're taking RFA, if you're taking UAE, if you're taking MR HIFU, you have to remember that the size of the fibroid should be less or very moderate in size, and also the fibroid count should not exceed 5. If the fibroid count is exceeding 5, or if there is a cervical, or if it is a pedunculated fibroid, or if the fibroid is larger in size, then all of these procedures cannot be performed. And also, if you're someone who is planning for pregnancy after these procedures, we do not know if this high intensity frequency radiation or high intensity frequency energy that we are giving to shrink the fibroid, we do not know if it will affect the baby on a long term basis, or we do not know if it will cause any sort of problems in the mother. And even after doing this procedure, you have to wait for a good 6 months to 1 year for your next conceiving or for your next pregnancy. So these are some of the limitations. Apart from that, we have to talk about hysterectomy, the alternate solution for all of the other procedures that we have said, right? So hysterectomy has this problem where the hormonal imbalance is created after the removal of the uterus. There is, androgen hormone is flushing, and then you feel you have unwanted hair sometimes. Some people have hot flushes, some people experience thyroid symptoms, some people experience vaginal dryness and discomfort during intercourse, some people experience hair fall, some people experience really dry skin, and also some people experience, there is hypocalcemia condition after hysterectomy, and also the risk for cardiac diseases is also much more increased in people who had menopause, or who have had the uterus or their ovaries removed and have got induced menopause condition also. So all of this have this risk, complications and limitations to the procedures. Now let us see how homeopathy is different from allopathic form of treatment. Now we will see how homeopathy is different. So homeopathy is utterly safe to use. It's completely effective in nature, and not only that, you will see it will balance your hormones, it will regulate the cycle. There is no limitations. Like even if your fibroid size is 8 to 10 centimeters, we can still treat it. If the number of fibroids are more, also we can treat it. And also there is no post-surgical infection issue with it. There is no effect on the fertility as such. So we have long-term studies in homeopathy. It is a system of medicine which has been there since 250 years. So we know what effects are caused because of these medications. And apart from that, you don't have to remove the uterus, you don't have to create a menopause like condition, there is no hot flushes, there is no hypocalcemia or low calcium level in the blood, and also you're not prone to minor fractures if you're falling somewhere. Even a little bit of sprain can cause hairline fracture in people who have got their menopause induced. And it relieves the symptoms and cures the condition, and the recurrence rate compared to allopathic form of treatment is low. Coming to the consultation part, if you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, remember Fideicus Homeopathy is the best choice. Here we have two kinds of consultation options, one being the online consultation option, the second being the in-person or the offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fideicus, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying really far from our Fideicus branch, you can contact us either through audio or through video consultation. After the case taking has been done, we will ask you for necessary investigations. If you have already got it covered, you can share it with us. And if you have not, we will tell you what investigations you should be doing, and you can get it done and share the results with us. After the whole procedure has been done, especially to the online clients, medicine will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach you. If you're someone who is suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or message us on this number to take doctor consultation. Apart from that, if you want to know more about Fideicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fideicus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases or fertility issues, remember that Fideicus Homeopathy is the answer. We have seen by how homeopathy is more or has more benefits compared to allopathy in female reproductive organ diseases. Now we will let you know why Fideicus Homeopathy is the best choice. Remember, Fideicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. We have had high success rate in treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Good success rate is there. Apart from that transparent treatment, we do not have a gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will tell you about your prognosis and about your condition as well. And the personal care here at Fideicus Homeopathy is top notch. We will be answering you all of your unanswered questions, your myths, and whatever doubts you have about your condition. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a better life, choose Fideicus Homeopathy. Thank you.